Welcome to Chat Jamaican Daily Updates. Information you need to know. News, views, and reviews for you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss another video of Chat Jamaican Daily Updates. Chat Jamaican Daily Updates. Information you need to know. Tropical storm Grace showed no grace. Grace drenches Jamaica, triggers flooding and infrastructure damage. Tropical storm Grace slow marched across Jamaica's northern coast yesterday, dumping more than 3 inches of rain on mostly eastern and central parishes, resulting in flooding and damage to infrastructure, which local authorities will likely start assessing today. Grace is moving towards the west near 24 km per hour, 15 miles per hour, and a general westward to west-north westward motion is expected for the next several days. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica said in its 5 p.m. bulletin, adding that the island would continue to experience frequent outbreaks of heavy rain, mainly over southern parishes last night. The Met Service also forecast that the storm would continue to move near or over northwestern Jamaica for a couple of hours, then near or over the Cayman Islands late last night and early today. Maximum sustained winds remain near 85 km per hour or 50 miles per hour, with higher gusts. The Met Service said, adding that Grace was forecast to strengthen in a hurricane today while moving away from Jamaica. Tropical storm force winds extend outwards up to 130 kilometers, 80 miles from the center, the weather experts added. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Geographical Tropical Outlook shows Grace getting to hurricane strength on its approach to Mexico's eastern coast, then weakening to become a storm by the time it gets to the country's west coast, after which it is expected to again become a hurricane when it enters the Gulf of Mexico. Meanwhile, National Works Agency (NWA) Communications Manager Stephen Shaw said that parishes of St. Thomas, St. Catherine, St. Andrew, St. Mary, Portland, and St. James had experienced some level of flooding. Flooded areas include Bogwalk Gorge, Browns Hall, and Troja Main Road in St. Catherine. Irish Town Road, the road beyond Garda Town Breakaway leading to Mavis Bank, Beach Road, 9 Miles Bull Bay, and Harborview Main Road in St. Andrew. Sections of Anoto Bay heading through Broadgate Junction and Clonmel to Highgate in St. Mary, Portmorant Square, and Hardley in St. Thomas. Sections of North Coast Highway in Portland and Adelphi in St. James. A man living in Hope Bay, Portland, who declined to be named, said although there were no heavy rains in his area, other communities were badly impacted. Some areas are worse than others. Many districts have fallen trees, downed utility poles, and debris on the road. There are also roofs blown off from a few homes. As awful as it seems, it's now as serious as we're accustomed to, he said. One woman living in Galloway, Betheltown, Westmoreland, said that she and her family are doing well. We are not getting much rain. We are not really affected much. It's like a regular rainy day for us and we are always prepared. Another woman living in Portmore, St. Catherine said, things aren't so bad here. Just a little wind, but we're good over here. Acting Director General of the Office of the Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, Richard Thompson, said that 2 shelters, Lawrence Tavern Primary School in St. Andrew and Onoto Bay High School in St. Mary, have been activated across the island. He was unable to say how many people had been staying in the shelter in St. Andrew, but noted that 2 seniors, a woman and a man, were housed at the shelter in St. Mary. In the meantime, Thompson is urging Jamaicans to avoid flooded waterways and to continue listening to all official advisories from ODPEM and the Met Service. If you don't have to go on the road, don't go, he said. For persons living in low-lying areas and flood-prone areas, avoid those areas typically known for flooding. If you have to evacuate and move into shelters, please do so. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily updates, watch the previous video, or watch more videos.